Many Grasshopper users don't know how to create a legend within Grasshopper to communicate their data with a lot better visuals by adding text and color to that. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a legend in Grasshopper so that you can communicate your information and data a lot better. So I have this guys all over here. These are some kind of masses, and let's say I classify them based on something, let's say based on width, height, whatever you're working on. So what I can do, I can grab a legend component, which is native Grasshopper component, okay? And it asks for three things: colors, tags, rectangle. I'll be explaining them shortly. So in order to put some colors, I will be first getting a a merge component, and I'll grab a color swatch. So for the color swatch, what I'll be following is basically the same things that I see here. So I double click to this, get the color picker, and go to a white here. Copy this and paste it, and go to color picker and get the red for the second one. I'll select the third one, copy and paste the fourth one. So I'll do the same thing, color picker, get the purple one, color picker, get the blue one. Obviously, you can make different color choices as well, but what I started to see here is my color selection. This is important because I want to know which color I put in order so that I can connect these guys. And when I come over to the tags, what I started to see is text values. So what I can do is put a panel and say MISC for miscellaneous use of rectangles or masses, red for, I don't know, X and Y changing, okay. Z is same. I would say Z changing for the second one. And for the third one, I would say only X changing. And these are my tags. But when I put these tags, I started to see it only projected onto the white because the panel itself requires you to select this and say multiline data. And then you can get that information. And when I put this in, I started to see this works quite well. However, I don't see any colors, right? In order to project this as a color, it is asking me to provide a rectangle. I can select a curve, get a curve here, set one curve, and get a rectangle, put this in. And when I place this guy in, I started to see all the text that I provide is projected onto this rectangle. Obviously, I can make it smaller like this. If you want to move this guy down right next to these guys, you can add that too. And in this way, you can create kind of a much better visuals by only using the native Grasshopper Legend component. And in this video, I covered this opportunity in Grasshopper. You can get free access to this Grasshopper script by joining my school community for free with the link in the description. And if you are serious about learning Grasshopper with me one-on-one, book a call with me with the link in the description and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.